Here we have the photocell, the blue and black, this photocell. And this is the floodlight. Here we connect the power. You can see the white way is the lamp. The red wire connect with the photocell red wire. And the photocell white wire connect with the lamp, the blue wire, and the black wire will single way. And here the power is connected, and we turn on the light, turn on the power. Here is the daylight, so the power is, the lamp is off. So we modify, we use the box to cover the photocell to see it will turn on, maybe. Sure. Yeah, right now it's turn on the light automatically, and we leave the box out. Yeah, it will turn off the lamp automatically. This is what we call the photocell function. That's all.